Hello and welcome to a beautiful sunny day in Germany. The plan today with the Hover X1 is not to do too much of a first use tutorial, but I will try and take it through all its different flight modes in the process of making a film for you. Firstly though, I wanted to show you how I carry it, because a lot of people are asking carry cases and all this lot. This is all I'm carrying today. And this is going to be the majority of my kit most times actually with the X1. I do have the Comica mobile phone microphones. A nice lens cloth, I always carry a good quality one rather than these small roll-up ones. And I've got 2 batteries and I've got the Hover itself inside a case. That's it. Okay. You can even go smaller than that by not having the microphones, but that's just a personal choice. So what we're going to do, we're going to go for a nice little walk around this small park area, and we'll put the X1 up in the air and see what it can do. And as you can see by the tree, it's a breezy day, not too bad though. So this is now the dolly track mode. I think I have to keep my eyes on the camera a little bit. We're going to try walking forwards a bit. I turn my body that way. Quite difficult to control because I'm trying to go around a slight bend as well, so I need to turn my body a little bit with the thing. Let me just close my phone, put that away. But yeah, it's nice, and I think the hardest thing with dolly track is to try and relax and sort of talk to the viewer rather than looking at the drone and being all concerned about what the drone's doing or what the flying camera's doing. We're going to go a little bit faster, see how dolly track handles that, and then we're going to stop when we get to the bridge. If I walk to the right slightly, or my right, my left, it reacts really well. I'm very impressed with that. Yeah, so we're going to try this out now with it following me while I'm filming. Oh, we seem to have got the fire brigade here for some reason. Let's go over in the shade a little bit. I'm going to turn this camera off a second. Unless there was something reflective in there that needs to come out for fire risk. Maybe they're just checking it for glass and stuff.
They have something like
plastic.
No, they have like a cotton thing with
Yeah.
cameras, and that was on the nest.
Ah, okay. So rise. Distance 9 meters this time. Check the battery level before you launch it.
9 meters. Zoom out.
It's just composing itself. It's now turned the camera on. Now I think if I was to move position, it wouldn't like it. It would get a bit fed up with me. I think we need to go through there, but what a beautiful day. It's a bit too hot though. I think we're on about 32 degrees today. So this should be now going downhill, but I don't know how steep. And I want to know if it's got floor detection. I think it has. Yeah. That's quite cool. Yeah, so we're doing a 6-meter orbit next to a water feature. Got to live life on the edge, haven't you, really? But what a beautiful location. I'll do it once standing still, and I'm going to try and see how the X1 copes when I move around a bit. And people are asking, and I can understand this, people are asking to have an orbit so the camera's facing outwards, but no, doesn't work. Don't know quite how it's going to cope. I don't think it does. It's not coping at all. It's not realising that I've moved it out from my original position. So it's doing a sort of oval shot now rather than a 2.5 metres. So you have to stand still really. This is the one 100% where it gets attacked either by an eagle or I get attacked by a snake while it's up in the air, or but hopefully none of those. Hopefully we're getting a nice bird's eye view with audio. Just to prove I'm using the remote mic, I'll put the phone in my back pocket and I hear my little friend coming back down.